Today, we have assembled here to observe International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated on June 21st across the world to promote the physical, mental, and spiritual benefits of yoga. Now I would request our esteemed principal, Sister Tomsey, to begin this auspicious occasion by watering the plant, a symbol of growth, vitality, and inner harmony.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ
Asana. Raise your hands and hold them together above your head. Bend towards your right side and hold for a few seconds. Come back to the center. Now bend towards your left side and hold for a few seconds. It stretches the sides of the body, spine and waist. It improves flexibility of the spine. Come back to the center. Bend neck rotation. Now let's relax the neck. Slowly rotate your neck clockwise. Feel the stretch from sitting and studying. Come back to the center. Shoulder rotation. Place your fingertips on your shoulder. Slowly roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion. This opens up the hips and improves flexibility. Now we'll do the leg and hand stretch. So stretch your legs forward. Slowly raise your hands up. Inhale. And as you bend down, exhale. Bend forward to touch your toes. Inhale. Come up. Again exhale. Go down. Sirsasana, and we'll do the Brahmari Pranayam. Close your eyes with your thumbs and place your fingers lightly on your eyes. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, make a soft humming sound like a bee. Start. Feel the vibration in your head. Slow. Start.
दूर उस आकाश की गहराइयों में एक नदी से बह रहे हैं आदि योगी। शून्य सन्नाटे टपकते जा रहे हैं, मौन से सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी। योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम, प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनम। उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, योग धारा चलत छन छन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम, प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनम। उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी।
Well done. Clap. As we began this yoga, what did we do first year? I watered a plant, and in the introduction it was said a plant symbolizes growth. What does it symbolize? Growth. Will the plant grow without sun and water? It does not. It needs water and sunshine time to time. As we grow, as this year's theme calls us for, what is yoga for? Yoga for happy, healthy aging. As we grow, we need yoga as water and sun to help us to grow happily and healthier. The more we become flexible, able to move, we will have healthier life. My dear girls, exercise is important, and as per Indian tradition, our sense of peace, our body to relax, yoga helps. Do you believe this? So is it needed to perform yoga as children every day a little time? We need to do. So when you wake up in the morning, sit down for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Do these asanas which are taught to you in school. Will you do that? Yes, how many of you promise me that? Yes, I know that all of you promise and you will do that. Then we become healthier. We will become happier. Our concentration improves. We will be able to study better. Our exams will become easier. Do you want your exam to be an easy exam? Yes, sister. Perform yoga. You will become calm. You will learn to have concentration, and concentration increases your learning ability. So I wish all the best, dear girls, and I also appreciate the primary coordinator, Miss Donia, all the teachers here, Miss Deepthi Pant, who performed this, took this chance to do it so well. Let us give them a very good hand. And all the teachers here who trained you very well with utmost discipline. Let us give a thunderous applause for our teachers. Why Yoga Day on 21st of June? Do you know? Yes? What is the speciality of June 21st? SST students, EVS students, do you know which is the longest day of the year? 21st June. Say that. 21st June. 21st June is the longest day of the year. So the summer solstice we begin, and then we have this longest day to mark it. India has chosen that this day all will perform yoga, and you will see not only here in St. Mary's at Ramini, worldwide people perform yoga. And so Sunday is 21st. You cannot be coming to school. You will perform yoga very well at home. Will you do that? Yes. All the best, girls. God bless us.